Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's special episode where we'll be diving into the fascinating world of Elon Musk's secrets to wealth. Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind companies like Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink, has amassed an incredible fortune over the years. Join us as we uncover 7 key principles that have contributed to his remarkable success. Number 1. Invest in yourself. Musk has a habit of making money and reinvesting it in his next business venture. He could have spent his first fortune $22 million from the sale of his company Zip2 on lavish homes, cars, and vacations, but he didn't. He continued this trend when he scored his payout from the sale of PayPal to eBay in 2022 by investing a chunk in SpaceX, Tesla, and SolarCity. These smart money moves have allowed him to become one of the richest people in the world. Number 2. Don't be afraid to take risks. Scoring massive paydays on the sale of not just one, but 2 companies is a huge accomplishment. However, Musk did take a gamble by reinvesting all or most of his money to launch new companies. Many other people would have played it safe by finding safer investments for their funds, but Musk has taken many risks, and they tend to quite literally pay off. When most people become frustrated with a social media platform, they delete their account, but not the richest man in the world. On October 27, 2022, Elon Musk acquired Twitter for $44 billion, a mere morsel of his estimated fortune. Number 3. Live life beneath your means. As you would expect for a billionaire, Musk once owned several houses, but things have changed. In May 2020, he tweeted, "I am selling almost all physical possessions. Will own no house." Keeping true to his word, he sold 7 homes for nearly $130 million, according to a March 2022 report by the Wall Street Journal. In June 2021, he tweeted that he purchased his primary home in Texas for approximately $50,000. Located within walking distance of a SpaceX facility, the property originally had 2 bedrooms, but Musk converted the garage into a 3rd bedroom. He said he also has a boxable tiny home in Texas, which he uses as a guest house. The takeaway here is not to own real estate, but to choose a property that truly fits your budget. Instead of feeling like you need to spend at the top of your price range, consider a comfortable property that meets your needs without stretching your finances. Number 4. Splurge wisely. He might live modestly much of the time, but sometimes Musk does spend like a billionaire. For example, he recently purchased a Gulfstream G700, a seriously lavish private jet, for $78 million. Touted as having the most spacious cabin in history, the plane seats 19 and can fly up to 7,500 nautical miles without refueling. Obviously, you're not going to spend $78 million on a private jet. However, you shouldn't be afraid to make an occasional splurge on something important to you, as long as it's within your means. Number 5. Don't take lavish vacations. Many billionaires practically live on vacation, but not Musk. The notorious workaholic has been vocal about rarely taking time away from work. However, in 2014, he tweeted that he was on an annual camping trip with his kids. His camping preferences haven't been publicly revealed, but it's unlikely to be anything too lavish. The lesson here isn't to stop going on vacation, but to take trips you can truly afford. Simple getaways like an affordable camping trip still allow you to relax and recharge without going into debt. Number 6. Find inexpensive hobbies. Given the size of his bank account, Musk could afford any amount of expensive hobbies. However, the activities he enjoys in his leisure time are notably normal. Still a gamer, he's tweeted about playing Halo Infinite. When asked about what he does in his spare time at the June 2017 Tesla annual shareholder meeting, he said he enjoys listening to music in the car, spending time with his kids, hanging out with friends, and watching movies. While Musk surely doesn't have much time for hobbies, enjoying simple pleasures almost definitely saves him a lot of money. Learn from this by seeking out ways to spend your free time that bring you joy without costing a fortune. Number 7. Give back. In 2012, Musk signed the Giving Pledge, committing to giving the majority of his wealth to charitable causes, either during his lifetime or in his will. Making good on his word, he he gave 11.5 million Tesla shares to charity in 2022, a donation worth $1.9 billion at the time. Obviously, Musk has unthinkably large donating power, but every contribution counts. If you can afford to provide any amount of financial support to a charitable cause close to your heart, it will certainly be appreciated. In conclusion, if you're looking to increase your earnings or save more money, taking a few tips from Musk can be a great starting point. Allow his wise money moves to encourage smart choices of your own that can make your financial situation healthier than ever. Thank you for joining us today as we unveiled some of the captivating secrets that have contributed to Elon Musk's extraordinary journey to wealth. If you liked the video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.